Hi, it's Mandy from Skycomp Solutions, and today I'm going to teach you a super easy way to share some information. It's the snipping tool. We've all had those days where you need to show somebody something on your machine and you can't. So the easiest way is go down to the bottom, search in your computer for snipping, automatically pops up, click it. So now you can capture your information. So hit New, select the information you wish to share, either Control Copy or right-click Copy. Go to where you want to send it in Teams, Control V, or right-click, Paste, and there you go. You've sent over the information. So the snipping tool comes preloaded on every machine. There's nothing that you need to do or download or install. I know I've taken pictures from my cell phone of the screen and then sent it to somebody. It's not always the clearest. Sometimes there's a lot of pixelation and you can miss information. So now you're sending very clear, concise information to whoever you need to. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like some more tips and tricks, follow some links over here. And if you'd like to subscribe, click the link over here.